What's up everyone? So habang nag-setup kami, I guess I'll do it in reverse. Ngayon ko na babanggitin lahat ng mga socials namin para it doesn't take up time later. So what's up everyone? We're lockout season. You can follow us on... Hindi nyo pa kami naririnig, follow nyo na agad kami, di ba? Para mabilis. We're at Lockout Season Band on Instagram, Facebook, and all that. Just give us a bit of time to set up. We got a few songs for ya. Thank you NPM Collective for having us. When you hear that sound, ibig sabihin, ready na kami mag-start. Da 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 da. All right, your turn. Da 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 da. Alright, isa pa. Da 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 da. Alright. Da. Alright. This first song is called Long Island Cheap Beer. Going in circles in my own mind. Can't fall asleep, it's 5:15. I got memories of landmines, of bridges burning and late nights. It reminds me of select mines at the bottom of a steep drop. They say don't look down and you'll be fine, but be careful not to fall. I'm not trying to people the way that I am trying to house fires from a careful distance and a fleeting interest. But your gravity to me is stronger than that of this planet. I give everything to forget, but I wouldn't wanna miss you. How you would on a young island, and I would on the cheapest beer. You wanna drink away tomorrow, I wanna drink away yesterday. I'm always running from a younger self, and you're afraid you got it gold and gray. But I like it when we kill the time, and we find ourselves again tonight. You're often worried about next week, and smoking packs to put your mind at ease. It satisfies like you brush your teeth. It's second nature muscle memory. You pay the future like you would pay now. You say you're certain that things won't go well. You say you've only gotta see the patterns and you'll be better safer than real. You may be alone with nothing but content. You're looking for quick facts to keep your hand off of the off switch. Say tomorrow is dark time, but I will help you find an exit. You throw the future to the ocean. but I wouldn't wanna miss ya. How you would order your Long Island, and I would order the cheapest beer. You wanna drink away tomorrow, I wanna drink away yesterday. I'm always trying for your younger self, and you're afraid of getting old and gray. But I like it when we count the time, and we find ourselves up when you want a Long Island. I would order you want to drink away. I'm always running from my younger self. You're afraid of getting old and gray, but I like it when we count the time, and we find ourselves done today. That was fun, dude. That was fun. Feeling ko nakawala ka din. Nakawala din natin sound mo. Anyway, yung kanta na yun, that was called Long Island Cheap Beer. It's out on Spotify. We're lockout season. Yung next song namin, ready na ba tayo sa next song natin? Are we ready? Are we ready? Fuck. Alright. Di ako pwede masyado lumayo sa area na to. Dito lang yung circle ko. Alright. This next song is a song about overworking yourself. It's a song about isolation. But more than anything, it is a song about friendship. This song is called The Usual. I woke up 2 minutes from my shift, it starts at 9. Splash my face with cold water before I go online. Take a swig of shitty coffee left over from last night. I've got a French press that a Target ad convinced me to buy, and I got down yesterday. Today, so strange how I've got too much time on my hands, but it's still not enough to be a good friend. At the very least, check in on my friends. I've been busy between work and trying new home workout routines. I don't need to leave your messages on. And I miss being scared of crowds for strictly social reasons. And I'm in public, but not in a literal fashion. And I've never been more attentive to the news on TV. I've also never been more depressed for all of humanity. And I got down yesterday. Tomorrow or today. God, it's so strange how I've got too much time on my hands, but it's still not enough to make me reach out to a friend at least. I try to greet them on their birthday. Sorry, I've been busy. I feel like I'm always trying to catch up on sleep. I don't need to leave your messages on. And we make it out of this alive. Meet me at the usual. Every time we find safe outside, I'll treat you usual. you all. Oh man, medyo napuputol-putol yung mic. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. Wait lang, water break. Alrighty. Tatry kong hindi masyadong malikot para di mawala yung mic. Anyway, this next song is a fucking heartbreak song. If you guys are going through stuff right now, I hope you get through it well. Good luck sa inyo. And this song goes out to you. Title nito, Pasmado. Kay Tomis, unang palitan ng pangalan, ngunit ang di maiwasang balikan. Pero kay Bayit, huling palitan ng paalam na karaang matalim kinakupitan. Di ko mabura sa isipan ng kanyang mga mata noong kuminang sa sinag ng tanghaling tapat. Ala-ala'y lumalangoy sa serbresya habang inihila ko pababa. Pangalan niya'y lasang asukal sa tuwing sasampitin. Pero ngayon iniiwasang marinig. Please lang wag yun na akong palitaan. Ayoko nang malaman sino bago niyang laruan. Pasmadong mga kamay ko, maayos kapag hawak mo. Nerbyosong puso, kumakalma sa piling mo. Ilang buwan o taon pa bang dapat lumipas bago tuluyang lupayan nitong lumpay? Minsan na lang magmahal, lagi namang di natatimingan. Pangalan niya'y lasang asukal sa tuwing sasampitin. Pero ngayon iniiwasang marinig. Please lang wag niyo na akong palitaan. Ayoko nang malaman sino kasama niya kagabi. Pasmadong mga kamay ko, maayos kapag hawak mo. Nerbyosong puso, kumakalma sa piling mo. Ngayong nag-iisa, nangangambang matulog. Takot managinip ng nagmumultong pangako. Okay lang kahit wala ka na ngayon sa buhay ko. Uulit-ulitin kong okay lang ako. uulit-ulitin hanggang magka-totoo. Thank you, that was called Pasmado.